How to make your own tonic water with quinine syrup. Drinking gin and tonic can be an outstanding experience if it's done the right way. Not many people might realize this, but tonics take the most part in this drink. So it's important to use good quality brands such as Fever Tree, which although might be a bit pricey. So if you don't want to invest in a good quality mixer, I would highly recommend to make one of them yourself in a very simple process. Quinine is a bitter compound base for the tonic water, which can be found in the bark of cinchona tree. Quinine is known as a medication to prevent and treat malaria and is also a mild muscle relaxant. By making quinine syrup, you can have more control over the flavor, and you can adjust ratio gin to quinine syrup to soda water as you want, or quinine syrup to soda water for non-alcoholic version. Making the quinine syrup. You have two options. You can either make firstly quinine tincture by dissolving cinchona bark in vodka, double strain through the coffee filter and then simmer other ingredients for 20 minutes. Strain, let it cool, and then mix 40 ml quinine tincture with other ingredients. Benefit of this is that quinine tincture can last a lifetime. You have more control over the flavor of your drink and you can make more batches of the tincture ahead. Recipe for quinine tincture and other ingredients. Second option is to bring to the boil all ingredients except the cane sugar, but along with the 20 grams cinchona bark powder, let it simmer for 30 minutes on the low heat, double strain through the coffee filter, then mix with the cane sugar, let it cool and bottle. How to make tonic water. Simply combine quinine syrup with soda water in the highball glass with ice. Recommended ratio is 4:1 soda to syrup, but you can adjust it according to your taste.